Hello friends, myself Santosh Jagtap. Today we discuss about the meter bridge. Meter bridge is an application of Keystone network. It works on the principle of the Keystone network, that is Keystone bridge. Generally or basically, meter bridge is used to find the value of unknown resistance. Unknown resistance is X. Okay, it consists of 1 meter long homogeneous and uniform cross section wire. Homogeneous means it is made up of the same material, and cross section area it has means uniform means equal cross sectional area or same cross sectional area of the A to C, and length of that wire is 1 meter. For that purpose it is called, that instrument is called as a meter bridge. This wire is mounted on the meter scale. Generally in diagram the meter scale is denoted separately, but in actual practical that meter scale is below the wire, and this wire is clamped between two L-shaped metallic strips C1 and C2. C1 and C2 because of generally it is made up of the copper. Third metal strip C3 mounted such that it forms a two gap, left side gap and right side gap. Usually the value of the resistance to be measured is connected in the left gap, and resistance known or reference resistance is connected in the right gap. Exactly at the center of the third metal strip, a galvanometer is connected, and another terminal of the galvanometer is connected to the jockey, which provides a temporary contact between wire A to C. Battery with key and rheostat is connected to the A terminal through A terminal to C terminal. Let's we study how it works. Close the key of the battery and allow the flow current through the circuit. Tap the jockey between the point A to C on the wire and find the such a point. At that point galvanometer shows null deflection, that is there is no current flow through the galvanometer. It implies that the potential at point B and potential at point D both are the same. Same situation is obtained in the Keystone network such that we can convert that instrument into the Keystone network, such as A here is and here point is C. Okay, then here is X point B and B to C resistance R is here. Next, then opposite to the X, that length AD is denoted as Lex, and opposite to the R, DC length is denoted as a LR. Then we can write here resistance between AD here is, and here is resistance between DC. Okay, and here is galvanometer which shows the null deflection. Okay, by using Keystone network we can calculate that, we can write that X divided by resistance of the AD is equal to R divided by resistance of the RDC. Okay, taking resistance in the wire AD right side, we can write here X is equal to R into RAD divided by RDC. Okay, we know that resistance RAD is equal to rho means resistivity of the wire AC, rho LX divided by area. Resistance is directly proportional to length, inversely proportional to the area. Then similarly I can write here RDC is equal to rho into LR divided by A. taking both value in equation, above equation, we can write here x is equal to r into rho lx divided by a whole divided by rho lr divided by a. Both a gets cancelled, rho gets cancelled. I can write here x is equal to r into lx divided by lr. Okay, this is our equation. By this equation we can calculate value of the unknown resistance. Remember that unknown resistance is always connected in the left gap and known resistance is connected in the right gap. Let's we study about the various problems regarding with the meter bridge. The first problem is, if the length of the opposite to the unknown resistance in a meter bridge is 40 cm and if the known resistance is 50 ohm, find unknown resistance. Remember one thing, that the instrument is meter bridge, that is from A point to B point. Length of the meter bridge is 100 cm. Okay, the given length is 40 cm. This is the first segment, it is called as a LX. Okay, and this is the another segment, 100 minus 40, this is 60 cm. Then according to meter bridge experiment, x divided by 40 is equal to 50 divided by 60. 40, x is equal to 50 multiplied by 40 divided by 60. 0 gets cancelled. 2 to 4, 2 3 6. Okay, 50 into 2, that is 100 divided by 3, that is x is equal to 100 divided by 3 or 33.3 ohm. This problem is asked in AIPMT 2014 examination. The resistance in the two arms of the meter bridge are 5 ohm and R ohm respectively. When the resistance R is shunted with an equal resistance, the new balance point is 1.6 L1. Find R. While discussing the problem, first resistance is connected in the left gap and another resistance is connected in the right gap. Okay, initial balancing point is L1, and when the R resistance is shunted, shunt means the process of the joining the parallel resistance. Okay, shunted, then balance point is shifted toward the right side and point A is at a 1.6 L1. Okay, and the wire is 100 cm. Don't forget, this is the meter bridge. Meter bridge means AB wire has a 100 cm length. Okay, then from the first condition we can write here equation first such that 5 divided by L1 means here is 5 ohm resistance, balancing length is L1 is equal to R divided by length of the AB is 100. From that point this is the length is L1 and taking total length is 100 cm. Then from that point to B, length is 100 minus L1. Okay, then 100 minus L1. This is equation first. From condition second, it is conclude that this resistance is shunted by same resistance, that is another resistance is connected, R resistance is connected in the parallel, and equivalent resistance becomes R divided by 2. Then from this condition we can write here 5 divided by 1.6 L1 is equal to R divided by 2 whole divided by 100 minus 1.6 into L1. This is equation number second. Okay, further we solving that problem. 1.6 shifting toward right side, then 5 divided by L1 is equal to 1.6 R divided by 2 whole divided by 100 minus 1.6 L1. Okay, 2 1.6 divided by 2 0.8. Equation number 3. Equation number first and equation number 3 left hand side same, then I can write here R divided by 100 minus L1 is equal to 0.8 R divided by 100 minus 1.6 L1, and R gets cancelled, this R and this R gets cancelled, then 1 divided by 100 minus L1 is equal to 0.8 divided by 100 minus 1.6 L1. Okay, taking cross multiplication on both sides, we can write here 100 minus 1.6 L1 is equal to 0.8 into 100 means 80 minus 0.8 into L1. Shifting 80 toward left side, 100 minus 80 is equal to shifting 1.6 to 1.6 into L1 toward the right side, 1.6 L1 minus 0.8 L1. Okay, then here is 20 and 0.8 is here, shifting toward the left, 0.8 is equal to L1. We got 25 centimeter, that is L1 is 25 centimeter. Putting the value of 25 centimeter length in equation first, we can write here 5 divided by 25 is equal to R divided by 100 minus 25, that is 75. 25 1 3 into 5, R is equal to 15 ohm resistance, that is the value of the R resistance is 15 ohm. Okay, next problem is the two resistances R, X and Y are in the two gap of the meter bridge. Use a null point dividing wire in the ratio of 2:3. If each resistance is increased by 30 ohm, the null point divides the wire in the ratio of 5:6. Calculate each resistance. If there is no any special mentioned case, then X in the left gap and Y in the right gap. Okay, then the rough diagram is, consider this is the left gap, X resistance, this is Y resistance, this is null point. Okay, and the X and Y divides, null point divides the wire in the ratio of 2:3. Okay, then I can write here X divided by 2 is equal to Y divided by 3. It implies that X divided by Y is equal to 2:3. Okay, next point is that if each resistance is increased by 30 ohm, that I can write here X divided by 30 divided by Y divided by 30. Then the wire is divided into 5 divided by 6. Okay, this is the second condition. Taking the cross multiplication on the second in second condition, 6x plus 6 into 3 18, that is 180 is equal to 5y plus 150. Okay, from equation first we can write here x is equal to 2 by 3 into y. Okay, then 6 into 2 by 3 into y plus 180 is equal to 5y plus 150. Okay, 3 twice 6, 2 to 4, 4y plus 180 is equal to 5y plus 150. Okay, taking the 4y on the right side, 5y minus 4y. Okay, and taking the 150 on the left side, 180 minus 150, that is y is equal to 30. The value of the y is 30. From equation number first, x is equal to 2 by 3 into y, that is 2 by 3 multiplied by y means 30, 10, 10 into 2, 20. That is value of the x resistance is 20 ohm, value of the y resistance is 30 ohm. This problem is asked in JEE Advanced 2014. During an experiment with the meter bridge, a galvanometer shows the null deflection or null point at 40 centimeter using the standard resistance means R 90 ohm. The least count of the scale used in the experiment is 1 mm. Then unknown resistance is okay. All the values are given in the plus or minus 0 point something. It is in the form of the errors. Then first of all we discuss about the experimental diagram. This is meter bridge. Okay, x here is R, the null point is here. From this is the value is 40 centimeter. Okay, meter bridge means 100 centimeter length, that is from this point to this point, value is 60 centimeter. Here is x and here is standard resistance R. Then we can write here x divided by 40 is equal to R divided by 60. Value of the R is 90 divided by 60. Then x is equal to 90 divided by 60 multiplied by 40. 0 0 gets cancelled. 9 into 4 36, 360 divided by 6 60. That is x is equal to 60 ohm. The value of the x is 60 ohm. We have two options, option A and option C. We want to find the error. By using error formula we can solve remaining problem, but the basic formula is x divided by Lx is equal to R divided by Lr. Okay, then x becomes R into Lx divided by Lr. The value of the R is fixed, that is 90 ohm. Okay, there is no any error. Then delta x divided by x, by using error formula, delta Lx divided by Lx plus delta Lr divided by Lr. Okay, then Lx is 40 centimeter, unit is 40 centimeter, but least count of the wire is 1 mm. That is I can write here delta x divided by 60. Okay, value of the x is 60. Delta Lx 1 divided by x is 40 centimeter. Then converting 40 centimeter into the mm, we can write here 400 plus 1 divided by 600. Okay, we want to find the value of the delta x. Then delta x is equal to 60 divided by 400 plus 1 divided by 60 divided by 600. 0 0 gets cancelled, 0 0 gets cancelled. Okay, dividing by 10, 0.6 divided by 4 plus dividing by 10, here I can write here 0.6 divided by 6. Okay, 4 0.15 6 0.1. Taking summation we can write here 0.25, that is delta x is equal to 0.45. Our final answer is x is equal to 60 plus 0.25 ohm. Thank you.